Join this urgent mission to try save a stranded whale. Witness as emotions run high in this gripping rescue story. Curvius beaked whales are pelagic. They inhabit waters deeper than 300 meters. They prefer deep offshore waters, holding the record for the deepest and longest dives of any mammal. Plunging as deep as 3,000 meters, they are widespread, inhabiting both tropical and temperate waters globally. But the combination of deep diving behavior, offshore habitat, brief surface intervals, cryptic behavior, and remote locations contributes to the rarity of sightings of Curvius beaked whales. So this might be a one-in-a-lifetime experience.
Where's it go?
It's like a fucking walk anybody's like. There we go. Come on.
Go, go, go!
Come on.
Where's she going? Go deeper. Where's she going?
Despite our numerous efforts, she persistently returns to the shallows. Strandings are complex events, often influenced by a combination of factors. Navigational errors, sickness or injury. Human activities like naval sonar, seismic exploration, or underwater construction can disturb or disorientate them, increasing the risk of strandings. Curvius beaked whales are known to be highly social. If one individual becomes stranded, others in the group may follow, driven by strong social bonds. We noticed our newly made friend had a few fresh cuts on her body and also only had one eye.
Sadly, the whale has to die. It's really sad, but check her out.
We wanted to help you. I hope you had a nice life. It was nice to meet you and go. And a sad moment for you.
This was an emotional roller coaster. The initial euphoria that fueled our strength, transforming into elation as the whale swims freely, the frustration as she heads back to the shallows, and finally acceptance in the face of nature's will.